assembly. You are my praise, Lord, in the great assembly. My vows are open before those who fear Him. The poor shall eat and shall have their fill. They shall praise the Lord, those who seek Him. May their hearts live on forever and ever. All the earth shall remember and return to the Lord. All families of the nations worship before Him. They shall worship Him, all the mighty of the earth. Before Him shall bow, all go down to the doors. You are my praise, Lord, in the great assembly. And my soul shall live for Him, my descendants of Him. They shall tell of the Lord to generations yet to come. Declare His saving justice to people yet unborn. These are the things the Lord has done. You are my praise, Lord, in the great assembly. You are my praise.